morning, afternoon, good middle of the night, whichever it is where you are. Today we're looking at Bluefish. Again, that's not a new program, but it just had an update, so might as well have a look. It's a bit of a confusing program, right? Now, the last time I looked at it, not for this channel, it was very crashy, and they seem to have fixed that. It's much more stable now. But what is it? It's an HTML editor. Yeah, I can see that. Not WYSIWYG. You have to know HTML, and probably CSS as well. But okay, that's fine. But if you dig into it, oh no, you can also write C++. You can also write Python. So now it's also a bit of a general purpose IDE. My feelings on this, I like programs that stick to doing one thing. If you want to be an HTML editor, be an HTML editor. If you want to be a C++ IDE, then be that. Right? I don't really agree with this thing of every program must be able to do everything. Still, if you find a use for this, then it is a steady, stable, good program. Okay, let's have a look.